Today, I am preparing a delicious recipe for Palak Paneer, a popular Indian dish made with spinach and cheese. Spinach is incredibly important for health as it is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being, boost the immune system, and improve digestive health. I have grown spinach in my home garden, so I picked them fresh, removed the stems, and kept only the leaves. First, wash the spinach leaves thoroughly in fresh water. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil and add the washed spinach. Boil the spinach for only 2 minutes to preserve its nutritional value. Immediately transfer the boiled spinach to cold water and strain the excess water. Once cold, blend the spinach with a little water until smooth. Now, it's time to cook. Heat half a cup of oil in a cooking pot. Sauté 2 to 3 medium-sized onions until they turn golden brown. Remove the onions and blend them with a little water until smooth. Return the blended onions to the pot and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, stirring well. At this point, you can add a teaspoon of red chili flakes if you like. Now, add the spinach paste and cook for 5 minutes. Season with salt to taste and continue cooking until the oil separates from the vegetable. Finally, add cubes of cheese and let the dish steam on low heat for a few minutes. Your Palak Paneer is now ready to serve. Enjoy this nutritious and flavorful dish with your family. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, and comment.